La cofradía de los negritos, the cofradía or the fraternity is a religious fraternity, a religious organization. Those with the hoods, they are penitents. Okay, so the people cannot see their faces because they are kind of paying for their sins, something like that. So in Spain, in Easter time, you'll see quite a lot of it, especially in the south of Spain. Okay, obviously the clan also claims to be a religious group, yeah. But this is in Spain. Okay, that's why I told you earlier that all of these symbols. Nations copy it from one another, and they twist it and they change and they adapt it to their own belief system, whatever it is.
The racist legacies continue unbroken. A couple interesting connections here. KKK hoods became the uniforms for a nationalist fascist organization in Panama called Acción Comunal. The racist nationalist fascist organization was founded by racist fascist pedophile former president of Panama, Arnulfo Arias. Then there was an article a few years back in a Panamanian digital newspaper praising this fascist nationalist racist organization. You see the swastika in the logo?
Hitler co-opted and adopted the symbol in 1920, and Acción Comunal was founded in 1923.
Arias admired Hitler and was a self-proclaimed Nazi, and wanted Panama to follow his lead.
Arnulfo Arias was actually received by Hitler on a visit to Berlin in the 1930s. He was also a supporter of Mussolini. He later became ambassador to France and England, and in Europe became enamored at Mussolini's fascism. He returned to advocate in Panama and was elected president in 1940.
The hoods are literally in a museum in Panama. There's still national pride around this political party. We are dealing with very nefarious legacies intertwined across borders.